Going to get some chicken. Let's see if this woman speaks English. Assalamu alaikum. You speak English? No English? Okay, this chicken? 2. Yeah. It looks nice. It's covered, so that's why I buy it. The drum. No, the other one. Yes. Okay. Here they cut it like this. Very skilled. All hard working people. Husband and wife working, the whole family is working in Thailand. Very efficient. Let's see how much. Should be 60. Okay. It's 360. Yeah. I'm gonna give a tip. Okay, no problem. Extra. Half.